Hi guys, we are from Sepintar A, and we are going to present you our product Handy Cram. So my name is Muhammad Hadif Mohaimin, and with my team we have Arif Aiman, Fauzan, and Muhammad Akil.
Let's go study. Solving problems involving series and parallel combination circuits. So hard. I cannot focus.
Education is the basis for the formation of an intellectual and rational human being. But now, the majority of students in Malaysia are plagued by problems during the learning process, which is that it is difficult to maintain concentration when they want to review subjects. Firstly, they tend to feel hot and sweaty if the surrounding area does not have enough fans. Secondly, they have to use flashlights, especially for dormitory students, to study in the room because of the limited light source. And lastly, their stationery often gets lost because there is no place to neatly organize it.
So we move to the suggested solutions. Handy Cram is a portable device created by combining elements of lamps, fans, and stationery in one product to solve the problems that have been stated. So we move to the benefits of the Handy Cram. Have lights that can be used when in the dark or without electricity. Secondly, have space to store suitable tools such as pens, pencils, rulers, and small notebooks, and so on in an organized manner. And lastly, has a fan that can be used when feeling hot wherever you are.
Now let's look for the product design. Now that is the front view of our product, and that is the left side, at the back side, and at the right side. Now we can look at the top of the view for the product, and as we can see that at the back of the handle for the fan we have the pencil case that we can store many stationery, and then we can see a bulb that is located in the middle of the fan. And that's all for us for the design that we make.